Hi, in this video we will make 5 different sizes of miniature delivery boxes. I will also show you how to put a logo on a box. The download link is in the description. There are 1 SVG file for Cricut and 1 Studio3 file for Silhouette Cameo. Upload the SVG file to Design Space. There are 5 boxes here. All the folding lines are attached and will be cut as dotted lines. Click Make It to the Prepare page. I'm using A4 size Kraft Cardstock. Just gonna change size here to A4. Move around the objects to fit layout better. It is good to send to cut. Here are all the 5 cutouts. The structure is the same for the boxes. In the middle is the bottom of the box. These are the 4 sides of the box. Here are glue tabs to attach the sides together. These 4 are the top of the box. All the folding lines are cut as dotted lines. Flip it over and fold along the lines. Glue the sides together. Align the sides and press till the glue is dry. We have done the first box. Follow the same steps to assemble the rest. Here are all the 5 boxes. Next, I will show you how to put a custom logo on a box. We will need to put the logo on before folding and assembly. Here I use Cricut acetate sheet. Any other brand of acetate sheet should be able to do the same trick too. There are thin plastic protections on both sides. Remove them before use. Cut the acetate to the size that fits your printer. Here I cut it to A5 size. It's about 6 by 8.5 inches. We are going to print the logo on the acetate and transfer it to the box. Wipe the acetate first if there are fingerprints on. Measure the space where you want to put the logo, usually on the side of the box. I have an Epson inkjet printer. It is at least 5 years old, so not the latest printer. Use whatever print software you have. An important step is to flip the logo as a mirror image. Adjust the logo size to fit the box we measured. Print 1 or 2 each time. Handle the printout acetate gently, not to smudge the print area. I'm gonna show you here how I transfer a logo on a box. Print on the acetate and use a squeegee or fingers to apply pressure. Remove the acetate and it looks good, except I made a mistake here. The logo is right side up, but once the box is folded, the logo will be upside down. I will carry on here to apply the other logo on. The top one is the correct direction, the bottom one is upside down. Fold the box and you will see what happened. Make sure you have the right side of the box up when transfer a logo. Okay, take 2. Here is a printout acetate sheet. It is a mirror image of the logo. Flip it. Now we have the right image facing the camera. Because I print 2 logos on the sheet, we need to make sure the second logo doesn't get smudged. I use a ruler underneath to give it a bit space. While position the left-hand side logo to where I want, also be mindful not to put any pressure on the second logo. Looks good. Slowly lower the acetate. Once it is in position, not to move the acetate at all. Use a squeegee or fingers to transfer the logo. Watch out not to get to the second logo. Slowly move the acetate. Rotate the box to the other side up and transfer the other logo. That's how we put a logo on. There is ink mark on the acetate. Dab water on tissue and wipe it. We can use the acetate sheet again. Fold along the dotted line and glue the side of the box together. Here is a mini Amazon delivery box. Once get a hand of it, you can transfer any logos you would like on these miniature boxes. Be mindful that this is a transfer. It is not as sharp or clear as actual print on. It doesn't work well on light colors or fine details. Change logos to black or strong colors will work better. Hope you enjoy this project. Thank you for watching.